Okay, so I'm going to talk throughout this part just to explain to you guys what I'm going to do. Excuse my fan, my light is a fan, so yeah. So I got this hair kind of knowing that it wasn't going to match my hair texture. I think this was either the curliest one that they had, or I wanted this one already. I think I already wanted this one, but I forgot that it wasn't a lace front, it's a U-part wig, and we communicated that, I just forgot. So, you know, my hair texture don't look like it's even going to match, so, not that it doesn't look like it, we know it's not going to match. So, with me, when I wear wigs, I always wear scarves anyway, because I just don't like to do the whole gluing of lace fronts and stuff. Like, I really like this wig though. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my best to make this shiny, and then kind of I'm just gonna do like 4 braids in like with the wig. Like it'll be like braids going down here. It's probably gonna stop with like a rubber band down here. But I'm gonna use my Style Edge Factor booster gel, because that defines my hair really well. And I was gonna blow dry my hair, but I went without heat for like 5 years. I have blow dried my hair probably like 3 or 4 times within the 5 years, or maybe 6, no more than 6 times. But my hair gets damaged so easily that I don't want to do that. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like when I apply my Style Factor booster gel. So I have my Edge Booster Styling Gel, and this is a scent lemon berry. I really don't care for citrus fruit smells. Like, I really don't like the smell of this, because I'm more of like a fresh linen, Dove, body soap, natural scent type of wash. I mean, not wash, but type of smell. But anyway, what I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna take parts of the hair where I know I'm gonna take the braid and braid into. So I'm gonna do this one. I'm probably gonna start with the back first, because I have to make this go into this hair. And mind you, this hair smells like, you know, it's from the factory. It doesn't smell like nasty. It just smells, you know how you get a pair of new shoes and it smells new? Like, this is what this hair smells like, so it doesn't have like a bad smell to it. I'm gonna put some conditioner and stuff in it just to get rid of this factory type of smell. But for the most part, we'll be straight. And so once I get my desired braids up, well, sections, I'm just gonna do the same thing for this side. I think I got a lot for this side, but honestly I might need a lot because this hair is pretty thin. Well, not thin, but like it's way more fine than my hair, so it's not as thick as mine. So I'm feeling like I might need more, but I think I got my desired. I'm just gonna work on this. I'm actually going to just brush it with my new brush that I got. Everybody's been talking about these easy detangler brushes. I actually really like it. I would recommend it. I don't think that it detangles the root as well, but it definitely helps you get through your detangling process much easier. You can get to the root with this, but if you have thick hair like me, it's gonna take some time. So I just wet my brush, and I'm basically just going through this, and not much of a difference. I wet it because but you can see it probably won't hold a lot of water on it, which is fine. So now I'm going to undo this twist and just add some gel onto it. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this like that. I braided past where my hair is. My hair is kind of stopping like right here. So I braided past that. So my hair is pretty long, y'all. It ain't as long as this. It's about more than halfway there. So when my hair gets this long, I don't wanna hear it. I don't. Hey, so I look like a box, but it's okay because my edges aren't done and I need to add some like edge control around my edges so it can be more sleek. For my edges, I'm gonna use the Eco Styling Gel, the argan oil. I feel like this lays down my baby hairs. This is like the base that I apply, and then basically, what would you call the last step? The last thing that I applied would be the Black Panther, because this holds it all day, okay? So now I'm gonna apply maybe a little bit of gel at the top of my edges like this. And then I'm going to take my small brush and brush it. Do the same thing with this side. Right? So now I'm just gonna brush that in. Well, like mold it in my scalp. And then I'm going to take my Black Panther. It's brand new, so now I'm just gonna take a little bit of that. It's actually very thick, so I'm trying to take too much, and I'm trying to rub it into the part where I was molding, because this adds so much shine. Add the little gold accessories, make it look cute. Then I'm gonna take some of this because it works really good on my little sideburns down here. It just keeps my curl in place, and it kind of elongates it way better than anything else does. So I mess with it real cool. Now I'm gonna take this out. The hair is very soft. I'm going to take care of this hair, but I'm gonna apply this scarf while I do so. So I'm gonna leave it like this for about 10 minutes. I think I'm gonna come back tomorrow and show you the final result.